Downtown France! Hey everyone, so today we have a super exciting video. Today is going to be a little different than usual because I'm going to be shopping, but not for me, but for my boyfriend Marcus. And we're gonna be going on Shein and seeing if we can find men's clothes there. So I go shopping on Shein a lot. If you've seen my videos before, I've mentioned Shein. I've done a whole haul under $10, and honestly, most of the stuff I've gotten there has been almost under $10. So basically, right now, this part of the video is going to be me shopping for the clothes, and then once the clothes actually arrive, Marcus is going to try them on and see if he actually likes it. So I am going to be trying to get him clothes that he would normally wear or ones that he would like. He actually gave us a budget. We have $100 to spend. For girls, I know that $100 on Shein, you could actually get a lot of things, but I'm not sure about the guys. Okay, so I have my computer here and I'm going to be screen recording my screen so you can see exactly what I'm seeing on the website. So now we're on the men's page. I don't even know where to start, honestly. I think the best would be to kind of sort by item type and then kind of look from there. I always sort things price low to high. So Marcus does have like a planner style, but he likes, you know, especially t-shirts that have like a little bit of color, like a little bit of like a design. Like, what is neep? I don't know what that is. Summer vibes. It's time for new dreams. Like, they just say the weirdest things. Like, what if people just want a plain shirt? You just can't get it. I really want to get him this one right here. You can use it as like pajamas or something, just because it has the cool cat on it. I think he would really like it. I'm gonna add it. Add to bag. Okay, I have to open this one. It's like kind of like the Adidas logo and just says sports. Like, I don't, why? Me? Sarcastic? Never. It's a t-shirt. Oh, that's cute. Okay. I'm kind of getting a little discouraged by this. I think I might click on men's shirts, so they're like more like button downs rather than just the t-shirts, because the t-shirts honestly are not great. A lot of these are like tropical. So it's weird because for girls clothes, you can be in like the $5 range for a long time, but like for the men's stuff, we're already in the $15. So that's kind of interesting. Okay, what is this? Do people actually wear this? It looks so weird. It has 108 reviews, which means over 108 people bought it. I honestly think that some of these shirts are like much better suited for like an international market. Like, I definitely see like people in other countries wearing this stuff, but I don't know, it's just not up on the trends for here. Let's check out the bottoms, because that's what he really wanted, was bottoms. First thing I see is these avocado shorts that are supposed to look like Adidas, but they say avocado instead. I'm not impressed. I'm like so over this avocado trend. Honestly, kind of like these. Maybe in the black. Do they have the size in black? They're kind of interesting. Let's just add them to the bag for right now, and we can always take them away. Ooh, what are these? Do we think that these look like pants or like sweatpants? I honestly, they look like almost a chino material. I'm gonna add that to the bag for now. Oh, here's another one of these pants, but these ones don't have the pockets like mid-leg, and I think those kind of are better, but maybe worse. I don't know. I know guys like are really possessive over their pockets. So I don't know, I kind of like these better just because. So let's just add it to that. Some of like the pant models are like, what? Like, what are you doing? Why do you look like that? Like, why do you post like this? It's so funny. I just went over to Outerwear, and so we're gonna check that out and see if there's any like cool jackets or something we can get. So far, so not good. Ooh, I might get Marcus a bomber jacket. This looks like almost like the one that I have. I think they're really like good to have. They're a really like staple piece. So I'm gonna definitely get him this one. Yeah, a lot of these are just kind of like windbreaker kind of materials, and I mean, everyone just kind of already has windbreakers. I'm not really like going all out for them. I like this one. I really like this. I think it's black with a white like teddy collar. That one's gonna be a contender and gets added to the cart. We have to get him this. He looks just like Brendan Urie. He does have enough crew necks, so we're gonna look more maybe like if there's like a hoodie or something that looks good. More paint splatter. Like there's some market out there for like paint dripped clothes, and I don't know where that market is, but it's not here, that's for sure. I'm not really seeing anything. This is so weird. I always find things like immediately on Shein, and like these are kind of just not doing it. Like what's this one? Is this just like a plain one? Uh-oh, there's something written. I don't know what it says. We'll just put it in the cart, and if it needs to like be canceled, it will. I feel like he would like this. It has some heathered gray on it, and he loves heathered things. And it's like a little like geometric. Oh wait, he said no more crew necks, but this one's kind of, I'll just add it to the cart. And if it looks better than the hoodies, we'll get this one. Adidas. That's cute, but I'm not gonna get it, but I love it. This hoodie's not bad. I kind of like the colors in this. It looks pretty good. We'll add it to the cart and see. I'm actually gonna go back to the shirts. I kind of like this one. Marcus wears a lot of blue, but this one's a little bit more subtle. We'll just add it to the cart. It's a contender. I think the last thing I want to look at is the t-shirts again. Wait, this one's cute. I think Marcus would like this one. Maybe we'll go navy. Navy's like the color of NASA. I think that will be good. I like this one a lot. I kind of like this shirt, so maybe we'll add it to the cart and see if we'll get it, because that one's cute. Oh, and they do shoes and accessories. Okay, maybe we can get something there. Wait, they make like Yeezy shoes and like Nike shoes. Interesting. So let's look at shoes, because I think that could be interesting. These literally look like the shoes he has from Adidas. That's amazing. Let's get the black pair, or like put it in the cart at least. Okay, let's just go through the outlet. Ooh, these look good. These are like actual pants. And they're like a little tapered. We'll add them to the cart, and then again, we'll put them against everything else. So I'm not seeing anything else really. Now I'm gonna go to the cart and we'll filter some stuff out to try to get to that $100 budget, because right now we're at $233, which is crazy because we only have, I think, 12 items in the cart. So that means everything is about $20 each instead of $10, which I was expecting. I'm gonna get rid of these joggers because I don't think he needs those. Between these pants, I don't know which ones to get. They're only a couple dollars different. I feel like these are too light. Let's get rid of them. I'm making an executive decision. I do like that bomber jacket, and I do like this jacket. Okay, we'll get rid of the pullover because he doesn't need any more crew necks. Again, get rid of this one too. No crew necks. I think we can get rid of this one because he does have a lot of shirts that already look like that. I really like this t-shirt. I'm gonna keep it because I think it's perfect. I think he'll really like it. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of the sneakers. They do look just like the ones he already has, and they're probably way less quality, so just save the return, honestly. And I kind of want to get these pants just because they are different and see if he likes it. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of the pink shirt because I think that pink's a little bit too, not too pink, but too like almost salmon-y. I think I'm gonna get rid of the hoodie just because, I don't know. The hoodie, like I'd rather have the two other jackets than the hoodie, I think. This is what we're gonna end up with. So we're gonna get the maroon pants, the astronaut t-shirt, the denim jacket with the collar, the bomber jacket, the drawstring pants, and the cat tank. So I think that's what we're gonna end up with. I hope he likes these. And again, if he doesn't like them, the return policy is so easy. They give you your money back right away. Okay, so I just put in the order for all of the clothes, and I actually had a coupon code, so it ended up being $99 just on budget. So now let's skip ahead to when the order comes and Marcus tries on all of these clothes.
So now Marcus is going to open all of the clothes and check them all out. We're gonna go through each item, just opening them up and doing a little first impression. And then after he opens all of them up, he's going to try on these things and see if they're actually good. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so this is the first item. I'll let you open it.
Okay.
What do you think they are?
Pants?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. Actually, these seem pretty cool. I'd try and wear these, yeah. This seems kind of cool because like most of my pants are khakis or black.
Right.
So.
This seems like it's good material though. It's thicker than I was expecting, which is good. I don't even remember what half this stuff is.
Also pants?
Nope.
Not pants? Okay.
Not pants.
This is a jacket?
Yes.
Interesting.
It's supposed to be like a bomber jacket.
Okay.
What is this material? Okay, see, I have a bomber jacket that is like basically the exact same as this, like online wise, but in person it's a lot different. Mine's very silky, while this is almost like a windbreaker material, which I kind of like better for Marcus. I wouldn't want him to wear like a silk jacket, but I don't know. I think this could work.
Yeah, I'll try. It looks like this will probably fit.
Here you go.
This is a bag.
Oh, I love the bags. I use them for shoes. I put all my shoes in these bags when I travel.
Yo, actually, that's pretty cool.
So it's an astronaut laying back with a like paper airplane.
That's pretty cool. This is like not like I didn't expect something like this, but like when I went on Shein for like 5 minutes, like a lot of their like crew neck sweatshirts are like sort of space designs, but on a t-shirt that kind of makes more sense, you know?
I don't necessarily expect you to wear this out and about. It's mostly for like hanging out, like maybe inside and stuff. But once I saw it, I could not resist.
I already kind of know what type of cargo clothing this is. Kind of gave hints, so I'm guessing it's a tank.
Yup.
Because I don't really wear them. You ready?
It has a little cat at the bottom.
Yeah, okay, I'll wear it inside, yeah.
I mean, like, it's definitely more loungewear than anything else, but once I saw the cat, I was like, how can you resist that? It's so cute. Like, I know you definitely know where tanks out and about, but I think that would be like really comfortable inside, especially if it's like really hot in your room and stuff. It's exactly what you asked for.
Oh, I think I know what this is. Like jogger pants?
Yes,
right?
jogger pants. Marcus asked for like khaki joggers, and like they have the tapered end and they're khaki. So I hope they fit. The last item, I hope you like this. This is a little different than stuff that you actually have right now, but I think it could be like a nice staple item to your closet. So let's see.
Okay. I see buttons.
I want to know if it looks like it does in the picture. Okay, good, it does.
Oh, interesting. This is like a jacket or like a big overshirt jacket type thing. You brought this over
How
here.
thick is it?
It's
It
like
smells like mayonnaise. It's a little thinner than I was expecting. I think I was expecting almost more of like a thick denim material, but it's like a thin denim material. But it does have like that Sherpa lined collar.
Yeah, actually I like the collar. Like without the collar, I don't think I would really be that interested in
Yes,
it.
that's what I like
'Cause
noticed on it, and I thought that you would like.
Yeah, I do actually like the collar because it's kind of like a more of like a jackety item thing. Because I would definitely wear a shirt under this.
So now Marcus has opened all of the items. He's gonna go try them on. Are you gonna make outfits?
I have no idea.
I think you can.
I'm
maybe.
gonna try.
Okay. And we'll be out here and just see what you come out in. And then you can like rate the items and we'll see if we have to return anything. So here is the first outfit.
Pants, the shirt, and the bomber jacket. First impression, not a deal breaker, but on the pants and the jacket, the zippers are definitely kind of they give you a bit of a struggle. I think they're fine. It's almost like they're like long. They're not too big on the waist, I don't think, but they're like they're kind of long. The shirt's fine. The jacket, I don't have anything like this anyway, so it's kind of hard for me to like benchmark it. But it feels good. It's comfortable. It does have an inside pocket.
Oh, it has a pocket on the inside.
I like that. Like that's big.
Added bonus.
Big points. Like that bumps up the jacket. So on the pants, I'd do like a solid 7.5 out of 10. Great t-shirt. 10 out of 10 on the t-shirt. Jacket is a bit trickier. And I don't know. Like I'll give it like a 6.5 out of 10. Like it seems like a good jacket.
Okay, now go. Okay, here is the next look.
Yeah, I like the pants. I think they're comfortable. They're definitely kind of thin, so like I could wear them on like normal days, or like I wouldn't wear these like out in the cold for like super long. But like they're fine for like normal pants going to class. Like they're fine. Cat shirt, it's good. 8 out of 10. Really enjoy it. The jacket's way better than I was expecting. I really like it.
I think it looks really good.
No, I think it looks a lot better than when I wasn't, when I'm holding it. It feels a lot more normal. The collar is my favorite part. I like the collar. I think it kind of keeps you like a little snug and warm, especially if it was cold out. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I really like jacket's good.
So Marcus tried out all the clothes now, and did you like them?
I like them, yeah. I think they were much more normal than I was expecting. I mean, you just said that some of the clothes on Shein are a bit odd.
So are you gonna keep all the clothes?
Yeah, I think I will. None of them fit weirdly. They all fit normally. Like
yeah, the only thing was the red pants are a little big, but I think that's
I like the red pants a lot though.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think Shein Men seems like it's worth it if you find things that you definitely like, or you want to take a small chance on something. These all fit okay.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was fun trying on things that I wouldn't get for myself, that I probably wouldn't have ordered. I definitely wouldn't order the tank. I definitely wouldn't have gotten either of the jackets.
So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this was helpful for you to see if Shein Men was actually worth it. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Yay, you did it. And I will see you in the next video. And comment down below if there's any item that you particularly liked, or if you think you're gonna go buy on Shein Men and check it out. So I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.
Smash that bell icon.
No, you say that every time.